going on here. Woo! Right in front of us. Right there. We got a nice storm here. Looks like maybe a little bit of rotation up in these clouds. Yeah, look at these clouds, sweetie. I think we got some rotation up here.
Where?
Right here, look at that. Something's going on. I'm gonna keep an eye on this storm here. This is like everywhere. Yeah, I can feel the electricity in there. This is nuts. We're like right in the middle of it.